Congratulations on it.
Thank you, sir.
So, for your job. So, how is your journey with Newzen Infotech?
Yes, sir. Actually, I have joined on this institute 6 months back. After I will take the training and testing. After completion of my training, they provide the placement. Actually, the way of teaching and way of providing the placement is very good. Recently, I got the offer in testing with the LP of 3 lakhs.
So, fine. Up to now, how many interviews are attended?
Yeah, I have attended around 5 to 6.
5 to 6.
Yeah.
In 5-6 interviews, you got job.
Yeah, exactly.
So, sounds so good. Why you were fail in first 5 interviews?
Because of some beginner mistakes. Because I don't know how to perform in the recent days. Now later I realized how to perform, and they are teaching how to perform in interviews.
So nowadays, so many people are watching this video.
Yes,
so they are ready to attend the interviews.
Yes, sir.
How you will give this suggestion then?
Yeah, best platform is join Newzen Infotech and card placement.
So how crack the interviews? What are the mistakes our students are done regularly, frequently?
Yeah, actually, the people who don't know how to perform in interviews, actually they know technically, but some people may don't know how to perform an HR round. In Newzen Infotech, they will also provide the HR placement questions also, and they will give you like self intro, how to perform an HR round, group discussions, etc.
So the teaching is good here.
Yeah, exactly, sir.
Fine. Thank you so much, guys. Like if you anyone looking for training and placements for any software technical skills, please visit Newzen Infotech. Once we will give the best guidance for you. All the best. And once again, congratulations to you. So before చూశారు ఒక స్టూడెంట్ సెలెక్ట్ అయిన అబ్బాయిని మీకు పరిచయం చేశాను. సో లైక్ దట్ వీ డూ హ్యావ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ అండ్ జావా ఫుల్ స్టాక్ .NET అండ్ టెస్టింగ్ ఆల్సో. ఇక్కడ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎవరైనా మంచిగా ట్రైన్ అయిన వాళ్ళు ఉంటే గిన సో ప్లీజ్ విజిట్ హియర్, వి విల్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ ది ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ టు యూ. నౌ .NET internship program also we are ready to start in next month first week. If anyone looking for job in IT sector, your non-IT background, your IT background, anything, so please learn .NET technologies in Newzen or outside also. You can get the job easily. Why? Because nowadays .NET opportunities are very more in a market. That's the reason I am saying to you. For learning full stack, it takes 4 to 6 months of time. If you want, you will take the training outside also. You can get the job easily. If you want, you will come here also. We will providing the training as well as placements also. Of course, you do have some career gap also. You don't worry about your fake documents. Okay. So మనం ఏ ఫేక్ పెట్టాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. వితౌట్ ఫేక్ తో .NET టెక్నాలజీస్ మీద మనం ఫ్రెషర్ గా జాబ్ కొట్టుకోవడానికి చాలా ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. Don't miss the opportunities. We will ready to start the next internship program for .NET next month first week. We are ready to start. Okay, hurry up. Anyone looking for software job, please come and visit the Newzen Infotech. We will guide you based upon your career. So then you can choose any one technology. All the best.